yourself? It's a legal bike, guys. Sort of it.
Right, just gonna make sure my camera's on now. Get on the floor! Get on the floor! Get on the floor! Turn over, put your hands behind your back, do it now! Yeah, a couple of bags of cannabis. Oh, I had some Class A.
We've got Class A as well.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
That's not mine.
Oh, funny that.
Mine, that was already on the floor.
That wasn't already on the floor, but
Already on the floor. That was not
it
mine.
wasn't already on the floor, was it?
That.
Oh, and there's a second bag as well.
That's not mine.
They're both not yours, are they?
That is not mine.
Funny how you did the leg spread, that's when it came out, isn't it?
Oh, you know.
Yeah, no, she's a taxi driver from Bristol with a Wolverhampton Bristol licence for doing taxi jobs here. She's odd, isn't it? Yeah. Just jump out a sec, mate.
Where's that? Guys, where was that?
Down here.